Alright, so I'm just laying here in the hammock, you know? It's starting to rain, so that's a little bit of something. There's Lisa. So we're in Brosman Park, and we just finished some arting. It's not there,
Gorgeous.
but it's in here. You'll see it later, maybe, if I decide to show it to you. We're about to eat bananas, so you can watch while we eat our bananas. And where is our trail mix? Yum. So for all my vlog followers, I'd just like to say I am staying hydrated and I am happy. I'm nurturing myself with food. And that's about it. That's all you really need to know. After we eat, we're probably going to explore. Maybe. We'll see. I think it's about 1:40, maybe. Who knows? Technology is the devil, so I don't even know why I'm vlogging. But, you know, it happens. There's also this trail mix. Some of it I like, and some of it I don't really like, but if you eat it all, it's alright, you know? So, my advice. Yeah. So anyway, that was 2 minutes, and I'm already getting bored of myself talking, so. How do you look at this tree for 20 seconds? Oh no. No! Disaster. We just spilled. Ah! Ah! It's still good though.
We'll just get out of it.
Oh god. Oh. So yeah. Build the trail mix. Not doing so well now. I think my toes might be falling off.
Oh no.
I'm just kidding.
You can cover them.
My hair is only slightly tinted green, but I think this hammock is making it look greener. So there's that. Back to the tree. This place looks like Dagobah, but you know, with the right filter, I think it could be. It's kind of cool. We've only seen one other person, which is crazy.
That is crazy.
Larissa's gonna eat her banana.
She sure is.
I'm gonna. If I could just hang this right here.
That'd be really nice.
Whoa, sorry. You can look at the sky for a bit. That's a pretty view.
Can dictate to you.
Banana?
Whoa.
I hear kids. And not the good kind. The noisy kind. Oh no! I should stop trying to do things with one hand. It's not working well. What's this little box do? Oh, whoa! Explosion! Woo! Wow! Whoa! Now it's dark. It's nighttime now. I'm afraid the wolves might be coming. So, if you hear anything, tell me.
Comment below.
Comment below. Also, last thing, cow. Vote for cow.
Vote for cow.